Imagine buying wireless earbuds for just $10. They look identical to expensive brands. The packaging looks authentic. The logo is almost perfect. They connect to your phone. The sound seems fine. So, what's the problem? The truth is, those cheap earbuds could cost you far more than money. Not because they'll break, but because they might slowly damage something you can never replace: your hearing. Every year, millions of counterfeit electronics are sold online. Among the most common products? Wireless earbuds. They imitate popular brands almost perfectly. Many buyers don't even realize they've purchased a fake product. The problem isn't only poor quality. It's what's hidden inside. Inferior speakers, low-quality amplifiers, cheap batteries, poor safety standards, all packed into something you place inside your ears every day. Let's answer the biggest question first. Can fake earbuds actually damage your hearing? Not directly. The earbuds themselves don't magically harm your ears. The real danger comes from something much more subtle: poor sound quality. When music sounds muffled, voices aren't clear, and details disappear, your brain naturally wants more volume. Without thinking, you keep pressing the volume up button. That extra volume, used over weeks, months, or years, may increase your risk of noise-induced hearing damage. Here's something many people don't realize. Good speakers don't just sound better. They make music easier to hear. When audio is clear, your brain doesn't have to work as hard. That means many people are comfortable listening at lower volumes. With poor quality earbuds, important frequencies disappear. Vocals become muddy. Bass becomes distorted. Treble becomes harsh. Instead of enjoying the music, you simply turn it louder. Counterfeit earbuds usually cut costs in places you can't see. Inside, manufacturers may use cheap speaker drivers, low-quality Bluetooth chips, small batteries, weak microphones, minimal quality testing. Some fake earbuds even exaggerate battery capacity or use components that wear out much faster than expected. While not every inexpensive earbud is counterfeit, products from unknown sources with unusually low prices deserve extra scrutiny. How can you tell if earbuds might be fake? Here are 5 signs. Number 1, the price. If it's dramatically cheaper than every trusted retailer, be careful. Number 2, packaging. Look for blurry printing, spelling mistakes, or missing documentation. Number 3, build quality. Loose hinges, uneven seams. Number 4, battery life. Counterfeit earbuds often lose charge much faster than genuine products. Number 5, serial number verification. Some manufacturers allow you to verify products online. Keep in mind that counterfeit products may copy valid serial numbers, so use this along with other checks. Here's another hidden risk: privacy. Many wireless earbuds require companion apps. If those apps come from unknown developers, they may request permissions you don't expect. Whenever possible, download apps only from official app stores. Review requested permissions, and keep firmware updated. So, should you always buy the most expensive earbuds? Not at all. There are many affordable earbuds from reputable manufacturers that offer excellent sound quality, reliable battery life, and proper customer support. The goal isn't buying luxury. It's buying products you can trust. A genuine budget earbud from a reputable company is usually a better choice than a counterfeit premium-looking product. Finally, here are 5 simple rules before buying any earbuds. Buy from trusted sellers. Compare prices. Read recent reviews. Verify warranty information. Avoid deals that seem unbelievably cheap. Those few extra minutes of research could save you money, protect your hearing, and give you a much better listening experience. Counterfeit earbuds may save you money today, but poor sound quality, short battery life, limited durability, and potential safety concerns can make them much more expensive in the long run. Protect your ears. protect your wallet, and choose quality over imitation. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos exposing fake tech products, online shopping scams, and smart buying tips.